Hello, my name is Curtis Frazier. I am the New Business Operations and District Planning Manager at SoCalGas. SoCalGas is committed to making the natural gas restoration process as seamless as possible for the affected residents and businesses. At this time, we are not charging customers for restoring their previously existing natural gas service to their properties and are providing personalized support for a safe and seamless natural gas restoration process. I will go through the steps of rebuilding and restoring your natural gas service. We also have a dedicated rebuild webpage that details these steps at SoCalGas.com/rebuild. Step 1. Plan. Customers or licensed contractors should request service restoration during the planning stages of their project before construction begins. To begin the process, please fill out the simple form. After completing the form, an email confirmation will be sent to the email address you provide. It is important to submit the application as early as possible. We recommend at least 3 months before the date natural gas service is needed. This will provide ample time to plan, permit, install, and turn on the natural gas service. A SoCalGas planning representative will contact you within 5 business days after submitting the rebuild form. For homes being rebuilt, we are offering customers a residential energy-efficient fire rebuild program, which provides financial incentives for single-family and multi-family homes prior to the start of construction. Step 2. Build. SoCalGas representatives will perform several site visits throughout the process and will advise customers to where the natural gas meters will be placed. They will also evaluate the property's projected natural gas needs to determine what size service line will be required. In instances where the service installation deviates from the original service, a contract will be issued to customers for estimated costs exceeding the original service installation credit amount. After all planning, utility coordination, permitting, contract payment, if applicable, is complete, and prior to natural gas service installation, the customer should ensure they have fulfilled all the city requirements. As with any time you dig, please make it a priority to call Dig Alert at 811 prior to digging. All underground utilities, gas, water, electric, telecom, etc., should be identified with their location marked. Step 3. Restore. A SoCalGas planning representative will schedule the underground natural gas service line restoration when the customer notifies SoCalGas that the property is ready. The representative will also provide instructions on the meter set scheduling process to align with the customer's need by date. Only SoCalGas personnel or agents authorized by SoCalGas may reconnect your service. Prior to the natural gas meter being set and turned on, SoCalGas requires a house line release notification from the city. This is a critical step to ensure that the customer's natural gas turn-on schedule is met. During your appointment, a SoCalGas representative will meet you at your home and perform a safety check on all appliances as part of the reconnection process. Step 4. Save. Apply for SoCalGas increased and exclusive rebates. These 4 steps, FAQs, and additional information about various rebate and assistance programs can be found on our Rebuild website. We stand by our customers and support efforts to build back communities so that residents who lost their homes, schools, places of worship, and businesses can rebuild their lives. We are ready to reconnect when you are.